This is the food I bought from IKEA. I will be trying it out and I will let you know how it looks inside and how it tastes. So this is how it looks after cooking it in the air fryer for a few minutes. And now we will be trying this out. So this is the food that I bought from IKEA and I will be trying it out. First we'll try this plant-based meatball. It has a soft, chewy texture. It doesn't really have any taste. Maybe the taste will come out from the sauce in this meal. It doesn't really have any taste. We'll try the mashed potato. It's soft and creamy. We'll try the mushroom. It has dried because of the heat from the air fryer. The mashed potato is so soft and creamy. And now the broccoli is crunchy. Maybe if you finish the whole thing, it will be a hefty meal because the mashed potato is made of potatoes and it's going to be heavy, but this meatballs is very light. This is a very good vegetarian meal. For dessert, this is what I will have. This almond cake also from IKEA, which I vlogged earlier, and also a scoop of this ice cream, Häagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream. First I will try the scoop of ice cream, because I know this will melt very fast, especially in this very hot weather. Very creamy, and there's a subtle flavor of vanilla. Now we'll try the cake. Very nutty, a little bit sweet. So we'll try the cake and the ice cream together. If eaten together, the combination becomes less sweet and the almond cake becomes more firm because of the cold temperature of the ice cream. But if eaten separately, each of the flavors stands out. Having tried eating them together, I feel like it will be better if they are eaten separately, because each flavor combined creates a different texture, and the cake and the ice cream loses its flavor. So having done this, I would suggest that you eat the almond cake separately and the vanilla ice cream separately, so that you enjoy the flavor of both the cake and the ice cream. So I hope you like our video for today. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye!